Namaste, how are you guys? And yup, Amazon Pantry is here. A lot of you were requesting, like I get this request every month. So yeah, I just thought I'll do like a big one this time because I wanted to try out a lot of different snacks. So yeah, there are a lot of different snacks here which I haven't tried out before, and also some random stuff. So yeah, we'll unbox this and see how it goes. Also, yeah, I'm like a little dressed up today because I felt like it. I hope you guys don't mind. Like, who dresses up for pantry hauls? Firstly, who does pantry hauls? It's just me, but yeah, you guys know, I mean, we all know our love for food. That's why you're here and that's why I'm doing this. So like you can see, I have like 2 huge boxes to unbox and I can't wait to do that. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started with this video. So I'll just start with the small packages first, small boxes. Okay. So this is my new wireless headphones. It's from Boat. A lot of you already know this. I just got a new PC, so I wanted like good quality wireless headphones and also something that fits my mera hairstyle bigadna nahi chahiye, please. Yeah, this looks cool. This is wireless and it has 15 hours of playback. I actually already have like 3-4 headphones from Boat and they all work great, so I just thought I'll give this a try. So got that. Wow, that's a really weird packing. So the next thing I got is a mini tripod. Especially got this for the ring light that I use. Like I have the ring light wala stand, but I wanted something tiny. So got this. Let's hope it's nice. Wow, it comes with a bag. Not bad. So this is what it looks like. The quality, I'll say it's okay-ish. It's very halka types, but for the price, like I got it for 300 rupees only, so I wouldn't complain much. It also came with this mobile attachment, so you can even put like your phone on top if you want. I'm just gonna use it for ring light mostly, or my camera. So we'll see how that goes. Next thing I got is yes, preparing myself for the winter. This is the Nivea lotion, body lotion, and it says it will stay on for 48 hours. It has cocoa butter and coconut oil, and it's for very dry skin, which is someone like me. Like I have very dry skin, so I hope this helps me. Next thing I got is, wait, what? I ordered for 1. I don't know how I got like 3 boxes in it. Was this like free or something? So I got plastic containers to store jewelry and all. Yeah, I'm planning to like store all my jewelry in boxes. I already have one which I got earlier and it has some jewelry already in it, but then I thought it's better if I store everything in those boxes only and not let it stay anywhere here and there, because then it gets lost and it's like confusing and I don't know where to find it when I actually need it. Next thing I got is walnuts. Very good for your hair, guys. Also, I was like super not sure about ordering dry fruits from Amazon because obviously the quality, like you can't see it there, and once it comes you can't even return it. But this is actually our 3rd bag, and last 2 bags were good. You can see they are like in shells, so you have to break it and then eat it. ये कैसे packing किया है भाई साहब? But oh my god! Okay, I wasn't ready for this. So I got a lot of snacks like I told you, and oh my god, finally I got 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, was it like 1+1? I am not really sure, but I got like 4 packets. Anyway, I am super confused about the quantity that I ordered. I'm pretty sure that was 2, but I don't mind 4. So these are jackfruit chips and they are my favorite and they're super hard to find. I just randomly came across them on Amazon and you won't believe how happy I was to actually find. Like I'll be eating this after 3-4 years, I feel. If you are someone who hates jackfruit, probably you won't like this. And from the same seller, I also found this beetroot chips. I believe I had this while I was doing the pink food challenge, I guess, and they were super yum. So I got like 2 packets of that, and then I got, it says it's pizza chips. I have no clue how that will taste. Not bad. It has this nice garlic flavor to it, which I am absolutely loving. Definitely doesn't taste like pizza. So good. And lastly, we'll try out my favorite chips. I hope this is worth it. Namak thoda kam hai, but it's okay. I wouldn't suggest getting the pizza one that much, but beetroot and jackfruit, definitely. Okay, in the first big box we have, as usual. भाई ये खत्म ही नहीं होता कभी. Oh my god. Finally. Okay, so we have a lot of snacks here. I'm super excited. Okay, let's start with something super basic. I got, oh my god, this is big. So this is unsweetened peanut butter. I am trying to like have healthy snacks. Yeah, you just ordered a lot of chips, Sunny. You can't say that. Okay, never mind, but yeah, it would be nice to have this with apple and all. So like just dip this in the apple and then eat it. So got it for that. And the next thing we got is bhujia save. Yes, I already have like this big pack of aloo bhujia already, and it's still not even halfway done, I guess. And also we don't get like tiny stuff. Like who gets like small packets? Obviously we have to go for the huge one. Next thing I got, cheese balls. I used to be, I still am a big fan of cheese balls. Next thing I got is this party pack of Act 2 popcorns. So it's like buy 2 get 1 free, and there are like 3 big packets of Party Delight popcorn in it. Can't wait. I'm gonna make this one right after I film this video. Next thing I got is this Maggi poha. So you just have to basically add in the hot water and then it's done. It sounds actually perfect for a lazy girl like me, so just thought I should give this a try. So the next thing I got is this. It's the Dark Fantasy Yum Fills Pie. I'm thinking this will be a bit बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से इसको खोला है. These also kind of like hauls come like mukbang, because I like to try out stuff. It's good. Moving on, the next thing I got, this is Paper Boat Anar juice, basically pomegranate juice, and my mom and even me, we love having pomegranate. I guess this was also 1+1, so got like 2 boxes of that. Okay, next 2 boxes, wait, there's also a cooking soda, obviously for baking stuff. And then next 2 boxes, something which you may have been already expecting. And I got this for cheap this time. The usual price is like 300 something, but I got it for 200, like 6 boxes for 200. So how could I possibly say no to that? So I got like 2 boxes of that. Just in case if you don't know what this is, it's the Sunfeast Farm Light. These are super yummy and they are also kind of healthy-ish. Orange is almond. My favorite is the chocolate one, and then there's the raisin one, which my mom likes. I also got this Fruitella candy in strawberry flavor, just random stuff. Like, yeah, candy. You can never say no to candy. And it's been a while since I had like candy. I usually go for like chocolates. I'm a chocolate person. Comment down below and let me know if you're a candy person or a chocolate person. Okay, I see a lot of things here as well. There's one thing which is basically like a detergent. I'm not gonna talk about that because who's interested. So we have Baggery's fruit and fiber muesli. I mentioned this in my current obsession video and it was almost over, so I got a new pack. Next thing I got is something that I was craving for so long. It's the cheeselings. I have zero self-control, seriously. I haven't had cheeselings since 4-5 years, I guess. That's a long time. So that's less cheesy now. Comment below and let me know if you agree with that. Like, yeah, there's less cheese. Next thing I got is Tetley green tea. I got a lot of questions on my Instagram about what green tea I use, so this is the one that I use. This is my second box, I guess. Yeah. So this has ginger, mint and lemon, and so I usually have green tea in the evening. My Instagram followers might know about that. And I add in a little bit of like a spoonful of honey in it and then have this. And yeah, I actually like, there are a lot of green teas that I tried, like typical green teas, but this one is my favorite so far. Next thing I got is the Knorr tomato soup. Next thing I got is whole wheat pasta. I'm really into whole wheat pasta now. Healthy obviously, but they also taste like nice. Next thing I got is tasty nuts. Like, who doesn't like this? Also couldn't find a bigger packet of this, so got the medium-ish one. Next I really wanted to try this. It's the Sunfeast Farmlight biscuit only, but this is Sattu Cardamom. It has no maida. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, wow. It like kind of like melts in your mouth. I may be wrong here, but it reminds me of Son Papdi. Like literally Son Papdi. The smell, the flavor, everything. Just the texture is different. Definitely try it. I liked it. I'll get it again. Next thing I got is Oreo. Like, obviously. Why? I don't need to answer that. And then we got a lot of nacho chips in different flavors from Cornitos. This is the cheese and herbs, which is one of my favorite. Then we have sour cream and onion. And lastly, we have this sea salt one. I believe not everyone will like this. And the next thing I got is Act 2 popcorn in the flavor Golden Sizzle. This is buy 3 for 50 rupees, but I believe I got it for like 40 something. And the next thing I got is sevaiya. I am like growing up I didn't have that much sevaiya, but now I'm enjoying it. Like I eat like sevaiya, upma and kheer. Yeah, there are a lot of recipes that you can try with sevaiyas. And the last thing is the Bonvita biscuits. Now I saw so many ads about this and everything. The curious foodie in me wanted to just give this a try. So this is like 9 tiffin packs for days. Let's go ahead and try this. इतनी छोटी biscuits है ये बच्चों के लिए perfect. Let's go ahead and try this tiny biscuit. like एक ही bite में चला जाएगा. Like गोलगप्पे जैसा है. गोलगप्पा भी इससे बड़ा होता है. क्यों लिया मैंने ये? But I bet this will be a nice thing to have with milk. And that was everything for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this, and I hope you guys also tried new stuff. Comment down below and let me know your current favorite snack, because I want to try new things out. And yeah, food is basically the only thing that's keeping me happy right now. So comment down below and let me know. Help your girl out. And the links to everything that I've shown in this video will be listed in the description box below. If you want to support your girl out, then do purchase from the links. And that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you guys would like to see more such pantry hauls in the future. Give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye. Peace out.